Another satisfied customer over here in Orlando. We just finished up replacing the entire rear bumper assembly on this 1994 Land Rover Defender. It's a pretty sweet rig. This thing's been all over Africa. He's put tons of miles on it. It's got like 300,000 or something on it. It's ridiculous, but she's a cool ride. This isn't something you see very often in the States. And it's even right-hand drive. That's really sweet. Got the sunroof. Oh yeah. Really basic, really simple. Everything just kind of bolts in. It's really cool how it all bolts together. Very, very similar to your Jeep or something like that. The entire roof line right there unbolts and this whole cap comes off, and then you can take the doors off, similar to a Jeep. But obviously I'm a hot rod guy. Love my Chevys and my old Fords and old Pontiacs and old Mopar and stuff, American stuff. But it's really cool when you get to work on something that's, you know, just different and foreign. Look at this. It's a beautiful rig right there. It's just cool working on something different. Typical repair job, a lot of rust. This thing's been all over the world, all over Africa, and he brought it to us so that we can replace this bumper for him. That's the new one. This is how they come from the factory. They run the frames out, and they stop with hubs, and they take a complete bumper section right there, and then they just slide it on and weld it in place. But as you can see, there's a lot of rust under here. A lot of rust. This vehicle's been all over the African desert and all over Africa, and so just years of sand and salt, heat. That's what it does. Up, we got the new bumper in place. She's bolted up, but she's still got to be welded. You'll see how she slips on. We ground back material. We ground back the paint so we can weld it on. This leg we just have hanging down. We knew that this leg right here was gonna interfere with this, so we just bent it down out of the way. We're gonna weld up the other three sides, and then we'll just cut that where it needs to be and then hammer it down into place and zip it in. That's it. So that's that. And then after it's welded in, this is just a brace that keeps the horns from being crushed while it's in transit. So that'll come out, and then we'll throw the gas tank in, and that's the job right there.
the other one.
It's still good though.
I mean, yeah,
That's
but
good.
you know, awkward position. I'm gonna get this little bottom right here.
Do what? Oh, that little.
This little piece right here.
All right, get it. So anyways, we replaced this entire bumper, put the new bumper in. Had to remove the gas tank, and you literally have to cut out the old bumper. It's welded on, so we had to cut out the old bumper and replace it with the new one and weld it back in. Now he's good to go. All right, well, that's all we had going on this week. Hope you guys enjoy what we got going on. We started off working on the Camaro. We ended the week working on a 94 Land Rover Defender 110. Very cool. So look at this. Look how dirty this guy is. It's dirty. Enjoy.